A good teacher listens, even when no words is spoken. You know, they see past the person or the disability, and they see the heart, the drive, determination, and take the time to hear. I just wanted to get back into it. Years ago, I chose, I want to learn how to be a pipe fitter because they pay the most money. But in learning it, it brought joy. And I worked for about a year. The depression really started to kick in, and I didn't know why, what was going on. And so I had to quit. You do realize I'm an old woman. And when I went into the service, I was 18. I did not realize I had a disability because it's a chemical imbalance in the body. You know, and since 1993, I hadn't worked. But the joy and the love I had in going to work, going to that factory, the smell was like, wow, I just loved it. And I said, when I can, I'm going to go to school and I'm going to learn how to be a certified welder to where no one can tell me that I can't be a welder. I am very thankful just for the opportunity and just the help that I receive so far here. The teachers, I'm able to ask questions and get directions, and they really can and take the time to hear. So my goal is to find a job and weld part-time, but yet be able to produce quality welds. Just because that's my heart. I one day would love to have my own business, making art and sharing it with the world. It's hard for me to learn sometimes, but the joy of it all, especially when it comes together, it's like, wow, it's beautiful.